It's a big question. Does intelligence influence your leadership ability? Setting aside unusually low intelligence, the answer is it's complicated. People with higher IQs are able to make faster, better decisions and to see more possible outcomes. This sounds like it should help your leadership skills. But it's not clear that intelligence is one easily measured thing, and even if it is, it's only one factor among many. For example, the textbook has a section on emotional intelligence, or EQ. It's one of several theories that say what we call intelligence is actually a set of intelligences. The book also talks about the triarchic theory of intelligence, which says intelligence is one of three kinds. The first is analytic. This is traditional problem solving ability. It measures your ability to learn quickly, make connections between things, and accurately make predictions. Think about solving a complicated math problem. This is one example of analytic intelligence, and it's what IQ tests measure. Clearly, problem solving is part of a leader's skill set, but this is more important in some roles than in others. The second type of intelligence is practical intelligence, or street smarts. This measures your ability to quickly adapt to new situations. How quickly did you learn the New York City subways? How fast can you figure out how to use a new piece of software? The difficulty in measuring this kind of intelligence is that it is specific to specific industries or problems. If you know the New York subways, it'll be easier for you to figure out Tokyo's or London's subways. If you already know karate and jujitsu, it'll be easier for you to learn another martial art. But being a whiz at navigating the MTA doesn't help you learn karate. Practical intelligence is developed by immersion in a particular field, and it can lead you to overestimate your intelligence in another field. Finally, the third type of intelligence is creative intelligence. Creativity is the ability to come up with novel solutions. We often associate it with the arts, but one can be creative in almost any field. Analytic intelligence is only very loosely correlated with creative intelligence. We can compare the two of them like this. If I give you a cookie recipe and tell you to double it, that uses analytic intelligence. But if I tell you to come up with a totally new and different flavor of cookie, that's creativity. You would expect a fashion designer to have high levels of creativity, but that's not going to be true in all cases. If you're a designer of a fast fashion line that copies high-end designs, what you need is analytic intelligence, not creativity. The book discusses how the value of intelligence to a leader depends on the industry and the type of leadership role, as well as the intelligence of their followers. It's not a simple relationship.